The last type of production we need to manage is the colonists. Here's how we're going to generate this resource. For each structure that generates colonists, we're going to check how much food is available and how much food is required by the structure's colonists. If there's enough food, the structure will house the maximum amount of colonists. If there's not enough food, we're going to use all the food available to house as many colonists as possible. Let's do a quick example. Imagine that our player has 550 food and 2 apartment buildings which each require 325 food. The colonists of the first apartment building will take 325 food of the 550 available, leaving 225. Since apartment buildings house 1 colonist for every food, the structure will have 325 colonists. Now for the second apartment building. Since there's only 225 food left, it will only be able to accommodate 225 colonists. So in this case, the player's structures are only housing 550 colonists out of the possible 650. Let's start by handling the case where there is enough food to accommodate every colonist. First, we need to check if the colonist property is in generates. Then, we need to check if the current amount of food is greater than or equal to the amount of food required. When this is true, assign to the colonist available property the number of colonists in generates. Finally, since we use the food for the colonists of this building, reduce the value of food current by the value of food required. Now our code should give colonists to the player as long as there's enough food and housing.